Hello everyone, I'm Oth, Thai in the United States. This is not my house, but my client's house. I clean the house for them. I like the decoration because the owner really enjoy decorating the house in every season and occasions. She like to create the feeling in the house happy and along with the season. Yeah, I already said that. I don't do at home because first, our home is very small. Secondly, I am lazy. I like to decor, but I don't like to take them away. I am enjoy every time when I work at this house and I see the different decoration, many cute items that she has. I could feel how happy and enjoy and fun with everyone who has an enthusiasm to make the house feel happy decorating like this in any times. Thank you. Have a great day.